Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can mark your calendar with emoji on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, you have to go to your calendar application on your Android phone, and here you can choose the date when you want to mark your calendar with emoji. And for instance, I'm just going to select the 4th of June. We can click on the date like this and click on the emoji and choose the emoji you want to add to your calendar. For instance, I'm going to select this emoji. Let's say that this day is someone's birthday, so I'm going to add this birthday cake to my calendar. Okay, and now as you can see that the emoji has been added to my calendar, and that's how we can mark our calendar with emoji on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.